Katrina. Come on, come on. Hey, we're playing the snow. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Whoops. Lost her. Katrina. The beauty of the Siberian husky in nature, in its natural environment. Plenty of snow. Yes, stop. Hey, 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 come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Katrina, Katrina. You happy? You happy? Oh, she's happy. Oh, yes, she's happy. Hello, darling. Still running in the snow. Come on. Run, run, run. Oops. Now she got herself stuck in her leash. Whoa. There she is. Aha. Oops. Your leg is stuck. Here, I need to unstuck that leg. You stubborn dog. Ah, finally. The leg is unstuck, now she's running again. Run like the wind, Forrest. Run. Whoa, 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 whoa. Closer. Come on. Whee. Damn, she's strong. She's not the little puppy anymore. She's now the full-grown female. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Whee. I think we're done for now. It's getting too dark to see. So that was another episode of Katrina in the snow. Bye bye. Katrina, come on, come say bye. Come say bye. Whoa.